Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be walking you through some activities you can do at home with materials you might find around the house or maybe even in your recycle bin. Today we'll be focusing on puppets. Let's get to it! For this puppet I'm going to start with a paper sandwich bag. Now I've cut out some ears out of a cereal box. Now I think the most important thing is eyes and maybe a nose and mouth. So let's go ahead and draw one on. Now we're going to attach our ears onto the top of the bag. Now I'm going to use tape for this. So here we go. We'll just put these right here. There you go, you've made your bear puppet. Now, when you put your hand inside, you'll lift the flap to make him talk. This is a pretty good bear, but he's a little plain. We can dress him up, maybe make him a snazzy suit out of a piece of paper and tape that on there. You could dress him up any way you want. You could even add other things like ribbons or other decorations. However you want to design your puppet is up to you. For this next puppet, we'll be using egg cartons. Now, an important thing about using egg cartons for crafts is to make sure that there's no eggs inside. There we go. Now they're ready for this craft. Now take one of your cartons and cut it right here so that two of these bumps are taken off. Now take one of your egg cartons and cut this part here right off. We won't be needing it. It should look something like this when you're done. Do the same with the other egg carton. When you're finished, your egg cartons should look something like this. Now I put a little piece of tape on this side just to keep them from opening up. And with that, it's time to decorate. Now you can do a few things with this. You could paint them, you could color them, you could paper mache, anything to make it look like how you want. But I am going to be making a crocodile out of this. So, if you see, these are going to be the teeth, and we're going to paint these up white and the top part green. And make sure that we saved this little bit from the bottom because that's going to become our eyes. Now I didn't have green paint, so I used blue because I wanted a blue crocodile. But now, once the paint's all dry, and you're all done decorating, it's ready to put it together. So first, we're going to take the top of our crocodile and this little piece. You see I've painted some eyes on here. And I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw on his eyes. One there. And then we put it right on top here. You can tape it for a little extra support. That's starting to look like our crocodile. Now we take this bottom piece here and you put this on the top of your hand and your thumb and the bottom, and watch your fingers because you've got a crocodile. Now for this next puppet, you'll need a piece of cardboard like from a cereal box and a couple of sticks. You could use some chopsticks or popsicle sticks or even just a pencil. Something long enough that you can use to move around the arms. We'll start by drawing the shape of our puppet right here on the cardboard. We're also going to need to draw the arm that we're going to be able to move. Now go ahead and cut out the pieces. You can make a couple if you like. See, I made a regular waving arm. I also made one with a bug net, just for fun. Now, it's time to decorate. So go ahead and draw on some features, or maybe some clothes, whatever you want your puppet to look like. So here's mine, all decorated. I used yarn for the hair, but you can do anything you like with yours. So once they're all decorated and ready to go, now it's time to attach the arms. So for this part, you're going to want to ask a big person to get something like a pin and poke a little hole right here and right there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, and once those holes have been poked, you're going to take something like a bobby pin or a paper clip or something that you can put through those holes. And we're going to put the arm on top of the body, line them right up, and just pop it through the hole here. It's a little bit tricky. Again, you can ask for help if you need it. Alright, so that's tucked right in there. The clip will hold it onto the body, and now you have a moving arm. Now, all we have to do is flip the puppet over, take some of our sticks. So I'm going to attach one here to the body and then another one here to the arm so we can move it. Right, and we'll just go ahead and tape that right on there. Make sure it's on there good and tight so it doesn't fall off. Another one just on the back of the arm here. And there you go. And there's your puppet. Now for this next puppet, we're going to need an old sock. Not just any sock. Try finding one that's maybe got a hole in it or is a little worn out. Always ask before making crafts out of people's clothes. Now this puppet is one of the easier ones to make. All you have to do is put the sock on your hand, and you're halfway there. But we can make this a little more interesting, I think. So maybe we'll add some eyes. And I'm going to make this one a Dalmatian, so I'm going to add on a big wet nose. And I've cut some ears out of just cardboard, and I'm just going to tape those right on there. Here's another one. And there you go. You've got your puppet. Now that you've made your puppets, it's time to put on a show. For your puppet theater, you could use a kitchen table, a blanket fort, a window, or anything you have around the house. You can even share them with friends and family on a video chat. Thanks for watching and have fun crafting.